I'm just going to do a quick unboxing, or I guess more appropriately, an unbagging video here. These are some glasses that just came in the mail today from Zenni Optical. They are some bifocals, and they'll be used for driving glasses. And so before I even open these, I will say I bought, I think, 7 other pairs of glasses from Zenni with kind of mixed reviews. And some of them I like, some of them I wear regularly, some I don't. One thing I've noticed with these is these were the first pair I had ordered in a while, and the prices seem to have gone up quite a lot. They make it look like you're starting out at a really good price, a lot lower than like an optical store or optician's store. And then they start tacking on all these other expenses, some that you have to accept. In a case like these that are bifocals, there's certainly are more expensive options that they recommend. And before you know it, as in the price with these glasses, that I think the frames started out at like $12.95, and before you knew it, you were up to about $50. So, as I've shown in some past videos, they're motto trendy, not spendy. So these particular glasses are meant to be a clear frame, a transparent frame, and then you can see that they come with this plastic case. Part of it has kind of a felt type application. And then what I normally do with glasses that I plan to wear outdoors, like these, like I said, these are driving glasses. So I will buy the clip-ons that go with the glasses. These I'm kind of neutral on these overall. Some of the ones I have bought already don't fit really great, and sometimes these clips right here, where they are just on the outside of the bridge of the glasses, sometimes these can kind of push on the bridge of your nose, which isn't so great. So Zenni also includes a microfiber polishing cloth with their glasses. So here's my first look at the glasses. They look nice. Just holding on to them, I wouldn't say they give you a sense that they're real sturdy. They're light for people that like light glasses, and as you can clearly see, they're bifocals. I usually don't like bifocals or progressives. I have resisted ordering them in the past. I cannot get used to progressives, but In this case, these are driving glasses, so the upper portion of each lens is for distance, and when you're glancing down to see the speedometer or anything on your dashboard, then the idea is that you can use the lower close-up portion. Take this off. So the sides have this kind of pattern on them. I usually need hinges that have some give to them. I find those types of hinges in glasses are more comfortable to wear. When you order these from Zenni, when you order any glasses from Zenni, it's a good idea to be aware of the dimensions that you need. So there would be this dimension from where my finger and thumb is across to the other end of the temple, side to side. I think these glasses are approximately 135 millimeters. There's the dimension of the portion that goes over your nose in the center. Those usually run like between 18 and 22 millimeters. You don't want that to be so narrow that it squeezes your nose. On the other hand, you don't want it to be so wide that the glasses keep running down your nose and falling down, which is a pain in the neck. And then you want to be aware of the length of these pieces that go over your ears to make sure that they're not too short, and on the other side, not too long. I think these are around 143 millimeters, if I'm not mistaken. So that's what these look like. And then, like I said, the clip-ons are designed for the particular glasses that you buy, and at least in terms of coverage, they cover the front exactly as they should. And I might stop my video for a minute so that I can put the clip-ons on and give you some idea. But these glasses overall are pretty attractive. I've wanted to get some clear frame glasses. If you haven't used Zenni before, you can do a picture of your face, upload it to the website, and then do a virtual try-on so that you can get some sense of what the glasses might look like on your face. And I have done that with every pair. Related to that, the one thing that you should know, which you can do either through careful measurement yourself, or if you ask your optometrist to do it, is the pupillary distance. In my case, I ordered these with a pupillary distance of 65 millimeters, but it's very important to know when you're ordering from Zenni to have that information. A lot of optometrists don't volunteer it, I believe, because they know it's needed by people that use online services like this. But it's good to get that. Anyone in an optometrist office can use a device that they put in front of your eyes. It's like a kind of a oblong rectangular box that fits over your eyes, and they can measure the pupillary distance. And that's important when you're ordering glasses. So I will put the clip-ons on real quick and give you an idea of what those look like. So here are the glasses with the clip-ons on. They don't just go on very easily. It takes a little effort to force them down. But you can see the fit, the way they have them here is pretty good in terms of covering the front. My only complaint with the other clip-ons that I've gotten from Zenni is you can see here in the back the way they fit. Sometimes this part of the clip-on can tend to press on your face or your nose or something. But generally, the clip-ons are only about an additional $4 or so. So well worth it if you're not getting the transitional type lenses that, or I can't remember if they're called photochromic, the lenses that automatically darken when you go out in the sun, which is one of the options that Zenni offers. But anyways, this is the pair I got. Trying to remember the frame number is not on the packaging that I'm looking at here. There's not like an invoice that came with it. So I tried them on. They seem to fit fairly well. I wouldn't say remarkably well, but not bad. I think the distance of the portion that goes over the bridge of the nose could be just a little bit wider. Of course, that's my fault. Here's a pair of computer glasses I got from my optometrist shop. You can see when you compare these that the computer glasses, the portion over the bridge of the nose is wider. Of course, these use those pads, which the ones from Zenni are just integrated into the plastic frame. So, anyways, this is another pair of glasses from Zenni Optical. Like I said, approximately $50 and around $4 for the clip-ons. They seem to fit pretty good. I just tested the lower portion of the bifocal to read a couple of things with small print, and they were just fine. I was able to read it no problem. Again, you get a microfiber cloth. You get a plastic hard case, and my only complaint would be because they don't actually make the lenses in prescription in the U.S. They make them, I think, in China or Taiwan or outside the U.S. anyways, and then they have to ship them. At least the ones I have bought have been shipped to Northern California, and then they ship them to me regular first class mail. So there is a wait. So when you order them, there's going to be at least a week or more before you get them. That is one drawback compared to sometimes getting eyeglasses in some types of optometry shops where they make them on premises and you can have them right away. But this is This is an unboxing of Zenni eyewear clear or transparent frame men's glasses. These are a unisex frame, as I recall, like many of them are, and you know, they're a good-looking frame. So I hope this was helpful to you. Would appreciate a thumbs up and a follow, and I'll try to bring other useful content.